today, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to write down are the steps for solving proportions. The first thing you're going to do is cross multiply. The second thing you're going to do is divide to isolate the variable. The last step will just be to solve, so just make sure that your variable is isolated and you have solved for x or whatever the letter is. Go ahead and take time now to follow the 3 steps. Remember, the first step is to cross multiply. So I'm going to be doing 5 times 21 and 7 times x. Remember when we talked about knowing if something is proportional or not, their cross products will be equal to one another. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. 5 times 21 is 105, and 7 times x is 7x. That would be my first step. My next step would be divide to isolate the variable. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7, so that x is equal to whatever 105 divided by 7 is. When I divide 105 by 7, I get 15, so x is equal to 15. You're going to go ahead and try these two on your own. Alright, the first thing we're going to do here is cross multiply, so 9 times w and 6 times 6. 9 times w is 9w, and 6 times 6 is 36. Then I'm going to divide both sides to isolate the variable, so whatever the variable is attached to essentially. W is equal to 4. For number 3, again cross multiplying, 10 times a and 12 times 15. 10 times a is 10a, and 12 times 15 is 180. And then I'm going to divide both sides to isolate the variable. A is equal to 18. How'd you do?